though. Not much of nothing, man. Just a sleepy morning going on here. One beautiful lady. I think that would look good. Wire number 2 right there. Showcase the derriere. What y'all think? I'll have to go with that. Can I get that one right there? How much is that one?
200, sir.
200? Yeah, I'll take it. Folks, got this beautiful lady. Gonna get that off there for me. That's gotta go about the mile. Back at this little shop right here, across from 582 Travel. But you know, they got stuff for the small kids. Like $4 a set, somewhere in there, $3-4 a set. Imported from Bangladesh. What's up, people? Coming to you live from the dressing room here at the clothes shop. Oh, there I am again. Gonna try this on right here, folks. $5. It's a double XL, but what you learn over here is that if you have Southeast Asian sizes, it's a lot smaller. So I said, hey, is this Asia style size or a foreign guy size? And I think there's no way that's a double XL for the foreign dude. So I gotta try it on. Let me see how it looks. I'm gonna go from this to that. Oh yeah. Whole single dad just stepped it up a notch. Shirt even matches the tint on my eyeglasses. They're the side pro. Oh, what's up, people? Look at that. Big gangster. Make sure the flies button, double check it. Oh yeah, that's coming with me. Yeah. Alright folks, 910 pesos. It's like 18 bucks. Got an outfit each for the babies, a pair of shorts for the old lady, a hoodie for Forrest G, and the king is rocking this new golf shirt like a champion. Load up here, folks. Got my booty right there. Pirate's booty. Look like a proper building right now. Gave away all my clothes. I've only got like 4 or 5 t-shirts, a couple pair of 3 pair of pants. I don't know, folks. Sometimes I just start giving stuff away. Shit don't fit right, or I'm using too many videos. I give it away. So what has apparently happened is I gave away all my clothes. Got pissed off at Carhartt, gave away all that stuff. Fucking CEO bastard. Fucking with people's health. So anyhow, I gotta give me a few new shirts. Still rocking the blue suede shoes. Gotta get back over to Thailand, back to Patty, and see my guy over there, Chris. Give me some new suits made, some new custom shirts. Get my style back, get my fashion back to where it needs to be. Out at Tequila Reef, enjoying the view and the patio and the food. Baby, you see the stress I'm under. Going out fishing for you some shrimp. Man, had to go down here to Walker Street, look at beautiful ladies. Had to buy myself a new shirt. Now all the ladies will say, oh, who is that Gwapo? The Gwapo guy with the fashion. Stress I'm under, folks. What can I do about it? Somebody's got to live this hard life, and I decided A decade ago, it might as well be me. Is that you, John Wayne? Is this me? Don't worry, little lady. I'll fix their wagons. Whoa, partner. That's like part of my hair. How y'all like my John Wayne renditions there? Shout out to the Duke. And my buddy Duke Shooter. Hope you're doing well. Here's this SS Club SS bar over there. There is always some beauties out front. I don't know if you can see. I'm trying to shoot. Always some beauties. It's called the SS Club. Club SS. And they got some type of promo going on. Something about the opening of the bar. 10 days of free drinks. June 3 to June 13th. What? How did I miss this? There was free drinks. Now look, unfortunately, well, fortunately for them, I'm still on the wagon. My gosh, if I had known that there was 2 weeks of free drinks, I would have been up in there every day. Except for the fact right now, I am still on the wagon. Sober as a judge. Just enjoying life, waking up early in the morning. Ready to attack the day. See, I would have told this gentleman to take the back way. But where I gotta go fishing, straight up fields. That's what the holdup is right here. Got a man coming out of the hole in the ground. Got a man coming out of a manhole. Right there. These are how much?
650.
650.
900.
Those are 900.
Yes, sir.
Lapu lapu.
Yes, sir. Lapu lapu.
650. That's 13 bucks a kilo, which is say 750 a pound. Good on my girl.
One kilo itself.
All right, 715 on that one. 715. All right, so now we'll come over here and pick up some oranges. Oranges at hello. All right, back here, get some oranges. Maria loves to eat the oranges. Hello, how are you? Oh, nice big oranges. How much are the oranges?
40 each.
40 each?
Yes.
Let's go with 3 big ones. Look at that. All right. She loves bananas too. Here we go, right here. What about these guys? A little bit of green. Yeah, these right here will work. This is next to the fish place. All kind of fresh vegetables in here. Okay, so $3.50 per kilo on the country pork. And then what about the pork chops?
300 per kilo.
300. And what about the bagaong?
This 120.
Y'all thought I was gonna buy that bagaong for wife number 2? Hell no. Can't deal with the smell of that, I'm telling you. All right, buddy, I'm ready to ride, man. I can't deal with that bagaong. I know she loves it, but I can't deal with it. Oh, Ricky Racer took his cow on the outside up against the wall. Almost took out the spectators. Speed bump. Great place for a speed bump. Right when you come off the road, so you have to stick the back end of the vehicle out in the traffic. Yeah, give me one Red Bull. Oh yeah, supposed to get the old lady some medicine. She supposedly got a headache. Whatever. All right, couple snacks. Tell you, all my ladies, they love these Oasis fish crackers. Now, they like the prawn crackers too. Straight ahead, buddy. They like the prawn crackers too, but wife number 2 likes the fish crackers. A lot of times they're out of these. Always have the prawns in stock, but the fish sometimes, voila.
Nice that.
Baby, I took my Gwapo up to the next level, baby. Gwapo times 2.
God.
GX2, baby. Mm-hmm. Were you thracking me? Were you thracking me? Hey, sweet babies.
What's up, Mommy?
Hello.
Papa got some clothes.
Hello.
That's for Forrest G. Now hold it up for the camera and show everybody what it says. That's for Forrest G. I figure we can take the t-shirt marker and maybe X that out, but it was too cool.
You look
No, it was
nice.
good.
You better buy like this. You look nice on that.
I know that's what
You're getting slim. Look, your pants going down.
I know, baby. Look at that. Used to, a couple months ago when I was drinking, I looked down, I saw the belly.
Yeah, I know.
Now I look down, I see dog and toes.
Ay, no, you just breathe the. I think you don't breathe.
No, I still got a little bit of a gut going on here. No doubt.
You look nice of that. You buy more than.
Yeah, okay. I'll go back right now. See my girlfriend. Now look at what else Big Daddy got for you, baby.
Shirt. Who's this shirt?
Baby, that's from my girlfriend. But she said they were too big, so I gave them to you.
Where this?
I hope they'll fit, because I think they're going to look beautiful on you, baby. I got that's it for the Forrest G. Hopefully he can wear it.
Yeah, you can wear this.
Mm-hmm.
This one is can adjust, right? So you can wear
Yep.
this.
So I got that for the Forrest G. And got that for Maria. Look what Papa got you, sweetie.
Eterno.
Yeah, just for riding a bicycle. That's for you. Yeah, I got you a shark, because you're always talking about we're playing on the raft and the sharks in the living room. Oh, there's one more in there, baby, too. There's one more special surprise for you. Pull that one out. Folks, I'm like Santa Claus coming in here with this Filipina today.
This is big.
And give that for Forrest G. He likes to see too. Yes,
Orange.
You always wear
you want an orange?
Yes.
Okay.
Honey, change color of you. It's nice look on you.
Baby, I'm gonna start wearing royal blue to represent the
You
king
always
that I
wear
am,
black
baby.
as a change.
All right, I'm gonna change it up, baby. I'm gonna wear royal blue like my water jugs here. That's my new shirt color. Baby, change into them shorts. I wanna see them shorts, baby. You got the orange, huh?
Yeah.
You like the oranges?
Yeah.